service for the following county: Kent, Delaware, and Cumberland, New Jersey. What? 1 to 2 feet of inundation above ground level in low-lying areas near shorelines and tidal waterways. Where? In Delaware, Kent. In New Jersey, Cumberland. When? Until noon Sunday. Impacts. At this level, widespread roadway flooding occurs in coastal and bayside communities and along inland tidal waterways. Many roads become impassable. Some damage to vulnerable structures may begin to occur. Take the necessary actions to protect flood-prone property. If travel is required, do not drive around barricades or through water of unknown depth. The following